My dear beloved teachers, I, Dr. Ramat Dias, Head of Pharmacy Department at Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, welcome you all to this 4 weeks online FDP course on Tools for Online Teaching Learning Process. Hope you all are safe working from your homes and fighting this COVID-19 pandemic with great courage and positivity. Let's hope this challenging time will go away soon. However, for teachers who are working from home, we have got this an opportunity to interact with our students through online teaching learning process. Dear friends, let us stay positive, stay safe and stay at home, and let's utilize various tools for online teaching. We are going to learn various tools for online teaching in this 4 weeks FDP. Now, let's see why this course is designed. Dear colleagues, there lies a major gap in what we teach to the students and what students have learned. The challenges of 21st century education had changed the role of teachers as facilitators. Therefore, we need to empower ourselves to focus on achieving student learning outcomes. There needs to be a revolution of transforming teaching learning process. During this lockdown period, online teaching tools have gained prime importance. Let me share with you that when we completed 8 weeks online MOOCs on transforming teaching learning process through modern pedagogical tools, the participants were immensely gratified as they could use these techniques and tools during this lockdown period. Therefore, those who were not able to attend this course were requesting that the same course should be run once again, and therefore we are at your service with this 4 weeks online MOOC on tools for online teaching learning process. Let's see what are the objectives of this course. Objectives are: number 1, transforming teacher-centered passive teaching learning process to student-centered active teaching learning process, equipping teachers to utilize effective teaching practices, empowering teachers with modern and innovative pedagogical tools, improving learning outcomes through use of learning management systems and digital pedagogy. Also, ensuring maximum utilization of online teaching tools. So with these objectives in mind, let's see what benefits we are going to get from this course. This course is totally online and absolutely free. This course will help you in becoming 21st century teachers empowered with newer pedagogical skills. This course is totally activity based, and successful completion of course will ensure the certification, and also you are going to learn new tools for online teaching. Dear colleagues, what we are expecting from you: you are going to watch 8 to 10 videos as learning resources every week. You are going to solve the practice quiz which we say as learning by doing, LBD activities. After each learning resource, you are going to submit the activities assigned every week as assignments. You are going to ensure academic ethics and integrity, and you are going to follow the timelines and finish the course within the given time period. Kindly note, no certificate will be issued till all activities are completed. Now, what will be covered in the course? Week 1 will focus on effective teaching practices, where we are going to cover starting from Bloom's taxonomy to what are the various effective teaching practices are. In week 2, you will be learning how to create various video resources and how you can have free WordPress website of your own. Week 3 will focus on creation of Moodle as learning management system and how you can run the course of your subject for your students. Week 4 will be focusing on implementation of online teaching tools which you are going to use for your students from your home. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for certification? The criteria are: 1. All videos are watched carefully and all learning by doing, that is LBD quizzes are solved. Don't worry about the scores in the quizzes, but you have to attempt these quizzes after watching the video. Number 2, all the activities, weekly assignments are completed within given time frame. At least you score 50% in each activity or weekly assignment. Kindly note that the rubric will be given based on which we are going to evaluate your assignment. So kindly go through the rubric and see how you can score more than 50% marks in these weekly assignments, because those will be essential criteria for certification. At least 50% grading in assignments. And the last one is academic ethics and integrity that needs to be followed. Kindly note that plagiarism, copying of material of your colleague, or irrelevant submission will not be acceptable and you may be disqualified from getting the certificate. So with this information, I wish you all the best for learning this course. Thank you and happy learning. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Let us start this course with fresh minds and happy beginning. Let me stop here by telling you that you can complete this course beforehand if you complete all the activities very fast. Thank you. Happy learning.